What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Marcos, and today we're gonna put this case to the test. This is a Temdan. It's a case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and we're actually gonna put it on the phone, and we might drop it a few times to see if it actually protects the phone. So let's get started. Let's unbox this case. So here's the case. Not much going on. Phone case, focus on quality, dirt proof, shock proof, and scratch resistance. Military drops protection. Let's actually bring it out. So this is what the case looks like. As you can see, has a nice plastic protector right here in the front, and it has a nice bumper along the edges. It does have a covering right here for the camera, so let's actually take this off. So it's made out of a plastic. It has like a soft plastic feel. Has this nice bumper for the cameras because you have multiple cameras. Waterproof case, so it tells you how to make it waterproof, make sure everything's good. It does have these covers for the cameras in the back, and it also has instructions on how to make sure your fingerprint ID still works. We also get this nice squeegee right here. We get a nice cleaning cloth, and we get the front part of the case. So here's the front part of the case, and as you can see, it has a nice plastic in the front. Please make sure there is no screen protector on your phone before installing, so you must not have a screen protector on your phone. And now let me put on the phone inside. So first part, you want to get the top part, and then you want to insert the phone from the bottom first. And as you can see, it gives it a nice gap around, so like if it falls, it's not going to hit right on the edge of the phone. It's going to protect your phone. And then this is what the phone's going to look like in the front, like this, and you can clean it up. And then this is a water resistant case, so what you would need to do, it does have these things right here. It does have a cover right here for the camera, so you want to make sure it's clean. And then pretty much you would go along the case and just make sure that it's all the way down on every edge. Push down. Once you push down, then the case will actually protect your phone from waterproof. And as you can see, we have covers for the charging port and the pen, so the pen's inside. And let me put it all the way together. So this is what the phone looks like, fully protected from water. Charging port is right here, and then it has a cover right here for the pen as well that you can actually take off if you need to. And then it has a nice bumper along the edges, so as you can see, it does have a see-through back right here. It does have covers for the cameras, and it makes it waterproof. It also comes with this nice little lanyard, so if you need to carry it. The case is not too bulky. It doesn't weigh much, but it protects your phone all around. It also has this raised edge along the edges. So along the edges, nothing's gonna happen if your phone falls face first. And it has this nice soft feel right here on the sides. Now we're gonna go outside real quick and give it a nice drop and see if anything happens. One more time, we're outside. As you can see, it does have the spot for the fingerprint sensor for your display fingerprint unlocking, and the case is nice and protected. So now we're actually gonna give it a nice drop and see if anything happens. All right, guys, so as you can see, the phone is good, the case is good, it's protected, nothing happened to both, either the phone or the case, no scuffs, no nothing. We're actually outside in concrete, and nothing happens to it. So very good case. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this case. It's water resistant, waterproof. It protects your cameras, protects your screen, protects your ports, and it just got a little dirty right there, but it should withstand almost anything. So hopefully this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.